guys, join us unbox our
new clothes for this girl's birthday. Hello.
For sweetheart's birthday.
Hello.
So we did a good shopping. Oh, you're so beautiful, Mama. Is this your own? Your pattern now? Why is she putting her hand in her ears?
I don't know. You will see when she's doing it.
Yeah.
So let us unbox.
That's bell, Mama. So for her birthday, we want to rock. All of us want to rock pink.
Wow. Teacher, what is this? I don't know. Madam.
It looks like all these things are just for you.
Wow. What is this?
Ah, that's for you too.
For my sister. Ah, yes, it's this thing that you order like for a birthday. See this small.
Ah, yeah. I remember this.
Plus this. This thing is too much. I think it. Yes, it's also your own thing.
Are we?
They all put in the same packet. I don't know why. So let us unbox some. Wow.
Princess, you want to unbox?
It's so beautiful like that. You need to open it like this.
Oh,
so
these
class.
are so
This
beautiful.
one I think is my trouser.
Let me see. So we are having a little Barbie princess birthday for her.
It's a bit big, but I think it's for you. Oh, it's so big. This one is my own.
Oh my God! Is that how big it is?
Yes.
Ah, it's so beautiful.
Yes, but it's too big.
Yeah, but I took small size. Normally it's baggy. This is how it used to be. Oh, this is so beautiful.
I'm going to put it here.
Try it on. Just put it straight away. Let me see how it looks.
But at least I just put it.
Ah,
Trouser is a bit.
yeah.
I just put it very up. And after on my t-shirt, I just put it like this.
Yeah, this is how it used to be. It's baggy. It's a baggy one. Oh, you tie the rope. Yeah, even on the picture you can see it's baggy. Wow.
Pakam.
Mama. Come this way.
But at least it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful, guys. Yeah. That you love it. That's the most important thing.
So this one is my t-shirt.
Okay, let's see the t-shirt. Take it off. Let's see this
I
t-shirt.
hope that
Princess, which one are you opening?
in October is going to do my size.
Yeah, this is a bag. This is the way it is.
En fait, il faut mettre ça pour inside.
No, I don't think so. Ours is coming separately.
But even your own. So this one I just keep it.
Fold it, yeah.
So that you can just see it. So fine. Have a good time. Beautiful like this. Okay.
You love it. Okay, check out the shirt. Let's open the shirt. Let's see.
The shirt is just here. If you can see me.
Stay.
Already you can just see it like this.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Open the shirt. Let's see.
Wow. Hope it's not going to be so big like this.
Oh, the shirt is so fine too. Put it on straight away. You just have to remove your glasses now whenever you're putting on your stuff so you don't. Move a little back. Let me see. Capture you. Ah, the shirt is fine. Could you stay? Let me see. Keep your two hands down. Let me just see the shirt on you. The shirt is fine.
So I just remove it like
No, let me see. Capture it well. Turn back. Turn your back. Yeah, the shirt is fine. It's fine. With the trouser. Yeah, it's so fine.
Normally my belly is here.
You know, we took small size for you. Hey, madam, what are you doing? Yeah, you join it together. The next one. Let's see what we got.
It's just this one. And after we still have this one. This one I think is your own.
Why is the trouser too? Oh my God, I have made a mistake.
Oh, this one I think is your own. Ah, yes.
No. I've made a mistake. I think that's a very big mistake. It's one. I took one. Why do I have two trousers the same? Oh my goodness. Can you open the... Yeah. Open the trouser very well. Let me see.
No, it's really the same.
It's the same. The same size. No. I have to return it. No. Ah, guys, I made a mistake. I went and take it too. What the heck? Mama, Les.
No.
Les. I have to return it back, please.
I just put it back in the packet.
Yeah, exactly. Fold it quickly. Don't let dirt touch it. I have to return this one. All right, put it there. Let's check the next one.
Was telling me that it's strange.
Oh, I made a mistake by taking two.
I think that when I open this, I'm just...
This one looks like it's my dress. My own dress. This is my dress.
No, I think it's for me.
No. Stay down. Oh, guys, this is my own dress. Hold the dress very well. Let me see.
How we put it? Oh, okay.
I'm going to look like a real Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl in my Barbie world. Life in plastic is so fantastic. You can brush my hair and make me look. Imagination. La 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 la. Da, 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 da. Ah. Let me see my dress again. This dress has long rope. What is this long rope for, Kwan? Oh, guys. Bring it closer, let's see. Turn the back.
I just take the other one. Don't touch it. I just put
yeah, I have to return it so that I can use this one to buy the pool.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's disturbing because everything is big.
And they don't have like a small size. They only have from X.
So good.
SM.
Good to be returned.
Yeah. No. Normally this was where my dress was. You put it on the small bag.
Yes, but it's too small.
Yeah, this bag carries my dress. This bag is not a toy. That's what they say. Princess, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Ça c'est maman Barbie dress. I'm a Barbie girl in my Barbie world. Life in plastic is so fantastic. You can brush my hair. What's the next word? You can.
And take me anywhere. Imagination.
Imagination. Ta, 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 ta. This Barbie song normally skip from my memory.
Is your mother clothes now?
Mama, this is for your birthday. We're gonna look very Barbie. My Barbie princess and moi.
Okay, I don't know how
and
to put it back.
her big brother. Okay, don't worry, I will put it.
Stop.
Alright, thank you for the unboxing.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
No, it was inside this.
So this trouser is the way it is worn. It's a very big baggy trouser. Okay, don't worry about the size. That is the way it is. Even in the picture, go back and check the picture. You see that it's a big trouser. Mommy, let me see that little stuff. That is her clip. Mama, this is your hair clip. No. If Papa made on ta bush.
It's not the necklace.
Let me open it. Let me see.
Look, it's for the birthday. Look.
Let me see now. Give it to me. Oh. That is an hair clip.
I know it's looking like the candle.
Ah, that is the, yeah.
Yes.
This is the first year candle. Let's show you. It's so beautiful. Give me. Guys, this is my girl first year candle. Very beautiful.
Her face.
Let's look at it. Princess, you're gonna look so beautiful that day. Hey, Mama. Yeah. Okay, put back the candle. So we have to order a Barbie cake, right?
Not a Barbie cake. No. This chocolate cake that is like this. I love it.
No. This is for a girl. This is your princess, your sister's birthday. So I have to make a Barbie cake. Since we are all dressing Barbie dress. We are looking Barbie, very Barbie girl. Barbie birthday. Okay? Eh? Yeah, we order Barbie cake, don't worry. Okay, maybe we can order two since we are celebrating both of you the same. Sweetheart, I'm not doing a second birthday. In the range of 1 month, a couple of weeks. So I'm doing, yeah. You know, we are going to Kiddies Court. So we book, I have to book it now. We make booking for 2. For you and your sister, we buy cake with, how many people are coming? Not too much, yeah, not too much people, yeah, because Kiddies Court is quite expensive. They said how much for one person? 16 bucks. 12 or 16?
12. Don't put it
So,
in the mouth.
we just, oh, Princess, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Mama. All right, guys, that's it. This is what we got. And it's beautiful. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.